This is an emergency update. If you hold any cryptos, they need to tell you exactly what's happening and what's going to be going on for cryptos right now, in the immediate short term and in the near future. So if we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is the number one crypto by market cap, of course, and Bitcoin is what leads the market. So if Bitcoin crashes, cryptos are going to crash as well. Altcoins are going to crash as well. And that's a fact. And that's what's going on. We can see Bitcoin, although very bullish, extremely bullish, we are at resistance here. We are at resistance and we are finding a lot of rejection. In this very level, we are finding a lot of rejection. This morning, Bitcoin pumped all the way up, made a new high today, $53,000, and then crashed about 4.5% almost immediately after. It's a very strange reaction to see. But this is typically what we will see when Bitcoin and cryptos are distributing. And distributing means that whales, they push the price up and they're starting to distribute their profits. They don't just sell their bag all at once because there's not enough orders and they don't want to ruin the chart. So what they will do is they will sell every single time it comes to resistance. They sell, sell, sell. So we basically have three major rejections. Bitcoin has not been able to close above 52,500. Major resistance. If Bitcoin can break back above and hold above this level, we are going to keep trending upwards and could potentially see all-time highs very soon. However, it does look like after such a massive pump from $38,000, we are at $53,000. One of the biggest pumps I've ever seen for Bitcoin. 38% move in just less than a month. And it's been constantly up only. It would be very likely for Bitcoin and cryptos to pull back. And what I'm thinking is that Bitcoin at the minimum is going to pull back to 48,000 level, the 48,000 level, and potentially come down all the way to like 46,800. These are a few levels that I'm going to be looking to buy, looking to long, looking to trade. And that's what it looks like is happening. If we also take a look at Ethereum, the leader of the altcoins, the second biggest crypto by market cap, we can see Ethereum, very similar thing, making new highs today, but also we rejected at $3,000. This is a major resistance level, which if we go all the way to the weekly time frame, we could see all the way over here in May of 2022, Ethereum rejected this level. And so there's a lot of stop losses at this level. We took a lot of that liquidity and now the market is rejecting, and it rejected really hard this morning. If we go over here to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that Ethereum basically crashed about 4% today. So this is typically what we will see when cryptos are being distributed, when we are near the top and when we are about to correct. There's a whole bunch of other indicators that I am taking a look at that are giving us that hint. And one of them is going to be on the 4 hour time frame. We're seeing the MACD form a bearish divergence. We're seeing the RSI form a bearish divergence. The same thing with Bitcoin. The MACD had crossed when Bitcoin was around 52,000. It's continually heading lower. The RSI is heading lower. And we also got that bearish divergence on the RSI as well for Bitcoin. If we go to the 12 hour time frame, a huge major macro time frame, Bitcoin is also crossing on the MACD, showing that the momentum is likely to push us down to like 46, 48,000. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen from our current level. Is about a 10% move, which will translate into altcoins 10 to 20%. So I'm thinking that altcoins could correct a bit further here after they also have just pumped up massively. And it's going to be completely normal if this is to happen, because if we zoom out here, I'm just going to show you Bitcoin. Yes, we might crash and correct 10%, maybe further, but we're also going to pump up probably another 40, 50, 60, 70% very soon. So in the short term, I am bearish. In the short term, I am expecting a pullback. I sold 90% of my spot holdings last Friday because of what I am seeing in the charts for me personally. I do not want to be buying at resistance for altcoins. I want to wait. There's a lot of really good altcoins that I want to buy. I want to wait for us to get into a discount zone. Some discounts, because the market is just ripped up. Now, it was about a month ago that I ended up buying some altcoins like Matic. I ended up buying Matic at $1, but a lot of Matic at $1 over here. Ended up pumping up, and we and the people in the Patreon, we made a lot of money with this breakout, but I did not take profits, and it corrected all the way about 26%. So that was about 6 figures that I held all the way here and had to wait to pull out to come back to break even, when I could have just waited for support at a discount level, and then I could have bought then, and then I would have made $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 in just a few weeks by buying at a discount. You are not going to make money buying at resistance. You are going to make the most money. You wait for a pullback, a correction, whatever, for whatever coin it is, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, XRP. You wait for these pullbacks and then you get in then, because when the market bounces up, when it pushes up higher, you're going to make a lot of profits. Now, me and the people in my Patreon just made a fortune by buying Bitcoin and cryptos at the very bottom here. The past couple of weeks, we bought Bitcoin 38,000. We bought Ethereum $2,200. We bought a whole bunch of other altcoins at massive discounts. If you guys want to have access to these trade alerts where we are making money every single week in future signals as well, you need to join the Patreon. It's going to make you money. Your money is going to come back guaranteed. Highly recommend it. As well, what's really going to help you guys is using Algosniper. This trading indicator is amazing. It's going to help you to identify the trends before they break out. Like here's Matic. Gave us a buy alert here and here at the bottom. So you could have potentially made 40% in just 2 weeks by buying the dip on some of these altcoins. You need to use Algosniper. You guys can try it today for just $1 at algosniper.com. If you guys want to be trading cryptos, make sure you do it over on Bluefin. It's a platform that I'm using. They're giving away $100 to the first 10 people today that sign up using the link below and making a single trade and having a minimum of $500 in the account. And they're going to send you $100 today for free. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.